How to delete your Duolingo account. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create, Login and Delete. Most people use Duolingo to learn a new language, but sometimes you might want to delete your account. Maybe you're no longer interested in learning the language, or you're just ready to move on to something else. Whatever the reason, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Duolingo account. Just follow the simple steps and your account will be gone in no time. So if you're ready to say goodbye to your Duolingo, watch this video until the very end. First, open up any web browser that you like and then type duolingo.com. Tap on to I already have an account option at the bottom. Sign in to the Duolingo account that you want to delete. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, then you'll come to this page. Scroll down and there you will see the option of delete my account. Tap on that. It will also send you an email and you can open up that email and you have to tap on a link that says delete my data to confirm that you want to delete your Duolingo account. And remember, if you change your mind, you have 7 days to restore your account. After those 7 days, you cannot stop the deletion process and your Duolingo account will be deleted permanently. That's it. That's how you delete your Duolingo account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe.